CSA Z463 Electrical Maintenance. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex Canadian electrical safety codes and standards. Our 6-hour instructor-led program focuses on the CSA Z463 standard, guiding students in planning, programming, and applying electrical maintenance strategies for industrial, commercial, and institutional facilities. What you'll learn. Students will learn predictive and preventative maintenance techniques, risk assessment practices, energized and de-energized maintenance procedures, and how poor maintenance impacts worker safety. The course also highlights integration with CSA Z460 lockout-tagout and CSA Z462 arc flash standards for a complete safety framework. We deliver real-world examples, interactive discussions, and problem-solving workshops. Our expert instructor provides practical tools to implement reliable, code-based maintenance programs that reduce downtime and extend equipment life. Who should attend? This training course is designed for electrical engineers, maintenance personnel, contractors, inspectors, managers, and safety professionals responsible for electrical system reliability and compliance. This course comes with a CSA Z463 Electrical Maintenance Training Certificate, 0.6 CU credits, 6 professional development hours, 100-page electrical maintenance handbook, and a $100 coupon toward future EFTI training. Implement best practices and keep your systems safe, reliable, and compliant. Register today for EFTI's CSA Z463 Electrical Maintenance Training.